Hey, what's up? This is Jatin Soni from Ask Mauritius. This quick intro video will guide you how you can use Ask Mauritius website. So let's first go through with website. As soon as you will enter www.ask-mauritius.com, you will reach to the home page, what you can see right now on the screen. So on the home page you will find different kind of advert which placed by the company who paid for the advert. Now this is really very useful page. If you want to learn something, what's coming up, what is the offer, what company is giving some offer, promotions kind of stuff, so you can directly check it from here. So this is really good idea to keep visiting this page again and again. When you just enter, just go to home page, find something is new, and if it is something interests you, you can just click on that page. That will take you on that particular detail page of the company, or maybe on their website, where you can just grab all information and contact them either, or you can directly go there and buy some stuff, whatever you want. So considering you're a first time visitor, alright, so as soon as you'll come, and if you want to use Ask Mauritius, then you must have to register. To register with Ask Mauritius, click on this register link at the top. Once you click on that register link, it will take you to that register page where you can define you can set up your user ID and your email ID and the preferred password, which you can remember, of course. Once you've done this, just hit register. But before hit register, make sure you read all terms and conditions and terms of use. This is very important. By registering, you are completely agree with our terms of use and terms and conditions. So once you register, you should get one email from Ask Mauritius into your registered email address, which is this one. So check it out in your inbox, or if not, then in spam or junk box, you must get one email. So that email contains one link which requires you to click on that link to verify your email address. Once you click, it will take you to the Ask Mauritius website and verify your email address, and then your account will be activated. So after that, you can start to log in. You have to click on this particular login link at the top. So once you log in, it will take back you to the home page. Once you logged in, you can now start to ask questions. But before you start to ask questions, I will guide you some of the other stuff. So once you go to all activities, now these all activities will display all recent activities on the Ask Mauritius. Like someone asked a question, that will come on top, but after that someone commented on some of the questions, that will now again come on the top. So this is kind of, you will find all recent activities, either comment or posting question or answering or anything, you will find at the top. That's the recent one. So all recent events you will find here. So this question page will display all question as it posted. Alright, so last posted question will be in the top. Okay, so now you can see here the sub navigation menu. It's called recent, hot, most votes, and most answer and most views, which is really obvious name. Alright, so recent, that means all the recent questions you can find here. Hot means the most voted and most commented and most answered and all those kind of stuff you will find here. Now let's go to the tags page. Now tags are really very important to filter and find some particular choice of question. Like if you are looking something in the technology, or maybe if you are looking something about language. Alright, so in the language you are looking for something which is related to Hindi language. So you can find some of the tags. If you can find like Hindi, once you click on that particular things, it will display all questions which is having Hindi tag. So this tag you can find here. So tags are very, very important. Now let's go to the category. So this category is basically kind of sections. Any questions you post, you must have to select the categories. For example, if you are posting any questions related mobile or some stuff, that should go into the technology category. Alright, if you are talking about some French language, that will go in the language. Alright, so on and so forth. So this is particularly all about that. Now you can filter all the category questions, same like tags, by clicking on these links. Now after categories, I'll show you events. At the moment there is no event, so from events you can find out if any upcoming events is there. And good thing is that if you want to keep update yourself with Ask Mauritius events update, what you can do, you can subscribe with your Google Calendar by clicking here. So friends, now let's see how you can pose the question. To pose the question, you need to click on the Ask a Question button. Once you click on that, it will take you to the Ask a Question page. Enter some of the short title for the question, like for example, if how to learn French quickly. Alright, so this is a single title where anyone will see this title, they will understand this is all about the French language and someone want to learn this. Alright, so once you've done this, you need to select the appropriate category. Alright, so the French is a language, so language is a suitable category for that particular question. Alright, so once you select the category, now you should write down some of the details of your question, so which will help you to the next person to understand your question, and so they can provide you proper information about your question. Alright, so I will strongly suggest you to put some detail instead of just writing a title and submit the question. Okay, that is always good idea to post some detail. So if I say that I am from French quickly. Alright, so with this, next person will understand properly that what is your exactly the question. Okay, now once you're done, so that is also a good idea to post some of the tags. Now tags are actually the related word of your question. Let's say for example the French, because you are talking about the French language, French. Now this is not just only you are talking about the French language, but you are talking something about like Creole language and Hindi into that particular question detail. So you can write it down, French, then Hindi, and then Creole, and then even though you can just type it like India or Mauritius or whatever, right? So but you can add maximum 5 tags. You can separate the text by spacing 2 words. Like after French, I just enter space here. That's a blank space. Each space will create 1 tag. You can see this one, the email me. Alright, this is email ID, and if my question is answered or commented on. Once this is checked on, if someone will answer your question or comment on your questions, you will get notification on your registered email ID. So once you've done all this, just click on the Ask the Question. Wait for a while to submit this question. So once you're done, you can see your question in this kind of format. This is all about asking a question.